How to fix hanging or slow performance issues on any Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and in today's video, I'll show you how to fix hanging or slow performance issues on any Android device. If your phone feels sluggish or freezes frequently, the simple steps will help improve its performance. So let's get started. Restart your device. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart button. A quick restart and can clear temporary files and refresh your phone's performance. The next step you can follow is simply uninstall unnecessary application. For that, you need to head towards settings. Choose apps. Select app management and find the application which is unnecessary for you. For that, you can hop into any particular application, suppose let's say WhatsApp. You can easily search using the search bar and open it. Tap on Uninstall and select the Uninstall button. This will help you to free up space and then help you to fix hanging or slow performance issues on your device. You can even update software and applications. For that, go to the settings again. Tap the search bar and type in update and you will see software update option listed on this list. Simply choose the software update button, and if there is any updates available, download and install to fix your issue. Also, you need to check for malware or different kinds of hardware. Install a trusted antivirus application to scan and remove malware that could be slowing down your device. So that's it. By following this step, you can fix hanging or slow performance issues on any Android device. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.